It's too obvious.
Come on. Let's go.
It's too obvious that there's a glass there.
Come on, let's go.
So obvious that there's just a glass in here.
What's in there?
Oh! There it is. There it is.
Oh yeah. Maybe it's always reversed, no?
Maybe I need to spell my name more.
Can I take a picture of you, darling?
Oh, I want to try that. The whole split. I mean, boy, triple split.
Are you on a trip?